Hey there. Are you living on around $3,000 a month and wondering how to actually make it work? Pay your bills, buy groceries, tackle debt, and maybe even save a little? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple, realistic budget with a $3,000 monthly income. No fancy spreadsheets, no guilt tripping, and no skipping your morning coffee. Let's jump right in. Here are the 5 essential budget categories we'll use today: housing, food, transportation, savings, debt, payoff. And we'll leave a little for lifestyle and flexibility. Because budgeting shouldn't feel like punishment, it should feel like freedom. Let's assume your take-home pay is $3,000 a month. Here's a simple breakdown to start with. Housing, $900 food, $450 transportation, $300 savings, $300 debt payoff, $450 lifestyle flex, $600. That's $3,000 exactly. Let's explore what this could look like in real life. First up, housing, $900. This might cover a 1-bedroom in a low-cost area, splitting rent in a shared apartment, or using subsidized housing programs if available. If your rent is more than 35% of your income, it might be time to rethink your setup. Housing costs can quietly wreck your budget. Next, food, $450. That's around $110 per week. Save money by cooking at home, using meal plans, shopping at Aldi or bulk stores. One woman I coached dropped her food bill from $600 to $400 just by prepping weekday lunches and skipping snack runs. Transportation, $300. That could include gas, insurance, maintenance, or a public transit pass. If you drive a paid-off car, awesome. If not, consider ride-sharing, biking, or even working from home when possible. Every mile you don't drive saves you money in the long run. Let's talk savings. $300. Even if it feels small, it matters. Try this. $200 into an emergency fund, $100 toward a short-term goal like a trip or a laptop. Set it up to auto-transfer into a high-yield savings account. Pay yourself first. Now, debt payoff, $450. Use either the snowball method, smallest balance first, the avalanche method, highest interest first. Example, if you have a $1,500 credit card at 22% interest, paying $300 a month could clear it in 6 months and save you hundreds in interest. And finally, lifestyle and flex, $600. Use this for fun stuff: gym, Netflix, going out, gifts, or surprise expenses. Budgeting isn't about cutting joy. It's about spending on purpose. Leave room to live your life while staying in control. Let's do a quick recap of how to budget your $3,000 monthly income. Here's the simple breakdown. $900 goes to housing, $450 for food, $300 for transportation, $300 for savings, $450 goes toward paying off debt, and the final $600 is for lifestyle and flexible spending. That adds up to exactly $3,000. You can adjust these numbers based on your personal needs or location, but this framework is a great place to start. What's the first change you'll make to your budget this month? Comment below. I'd love to hear your story. And if this helped you, hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and share it with a friend. More easy money guides are coming every week because budgeting should feel empowering, not overwhelming. See you in the next one.